Hey out there, hope you're all doing well. Today is time for my Microstock earnings report for October 2021. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first site I'm going to talk about is adobestock. My portfolio on Adobe is 5,162 images. I had 95 sales in October, and that earned me $88.54. Which is a royalty per download, an RPD of 93 cents. A bit slower for me this month. I usually make more than $100 on Adobe, so kind of a disappointing amount. The one highlight I was going to bring up for this past month is we were staying at a hotel and just visiting family, and there was a Tesla charging at the hotel charging station. So the weather conditions, like the light wasn't great, but I took a shot. And it's already sold, even though it's a sort of a crap shot. So I think there's still room with the electrical vehicles here to start putting up or to continue uploading images and probably video as well. So yeah, still probably some opportunities there with that type of image. Okay, so the next site I'm going to talk about is Shutterstock. On Shutterstock, I have 6,831 images. In October, I had 228 sales, all images, zero clips. That earned me $204.17 for an RPD of 89 cents. So compared to the previous month, September, did quite well because I got 88 that September, so which was disappointing. So happier to be back above 200. Hopefully it sticks. I had two enhanced sales. License sales that earned about $54. So a big chunk of that was from two sales. And this one of the house earned $31.43. So this was the best sale I had on Shutterstock for October. Again, residential houses, what can I say? Okay, the next site I'm going to talk about is Istock. Istock, I have 4,987 images in my portfolio. I had 104 sales, and that earned me $56.19 for an RPD of 54 cents. Now that's a drop of about 20 bucks over the last few months that I've been making. I've been up closer to 80, so this kind of sucks. I'm not surprised though, because I had been selling those sort of Olympic flag photos at a sort of a rapid rate during the Olympic period, and so that's over now. So those dropped off. So not totally surprised, but you know, whatever. These were the three top images for iStock in the month of October. Okay, Dreamstime. Dreamstime, I have 8,860 images in my portfolio. I had 26 sales, and that earned me $14.65 for an RPD of 56 cents. Another month that is below 20 on Dreamstime. I love to be above $20 a month, closer to 30 or 40. So I'm just finding that I'm getting fewer sales and lower dollars on Dreamstime the last couple of months. So that's not that great. Highlight for the month is I sold these three shots of the Swan and Dolphin Hotel at the Disney World property around close to Orlando. So the note for you is hotels do make a good subject for Microstock photography when you're traveling. Not just the sites, also the hotels. Okay, the next site that I wanted to talk about is Alamy. I have 6,261 images on my site, or my portfolio. I had two sales. The gross for those two sales was 42, but that only netted me $17.01. I had the Métis flag sell and the SSE, I think it is, Hydro, which is a venue in Glasgow, sell. It's occurred to me that I have the last few months I've had a lot of Scottish, like a lot of Glasgow sales, and I think it's probably related to that environmental conference that's going on there right now. So I suspect that I'll see a drop off in Scottish travel related images. Maybe not necessarily. Yeah, I think maybe November I won't see that same sort of flow on the Scottish travel images just because that conference is over. But it does show you that once people are moving, things do sell. So hopefully, hopefully things get back to normal if they ever do. I'm hoping they are. Anyway, let's move on to the next site. Pond 5, 0 sales. So yeah, same as last month, not good. Deposit photos. I had 7,870 images in my portfolio. I had 48 sales, and that netted me $16.54 for an RPD of 34 cents. Mostly low value sales. I think the image that sold for the most was this image here. It sold for $1.81, and this is of a building at the University of Calgary. It's a law building. If you live in a city with a university or have universities close by and you haven't photographed those pretty thoroughly, then you know what's wrong. You got to get out there and you got to document those universities because those do sell somewhat. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the minnows, as it were. Big stock. I have 4,708 images on that site. Had 11 sales, and that earned me $6.43. 123RF, I have 4,725 images in my portfolio, 14 sales, and that earned $6.31, so pretty much the same. Canstock, I had 3 sales for $5.50. Photo for Me, no sales. Fine Art America, no sales. And Archangel, once again, no sales, although I continue to upload images there. And I'm working right now on uploading some images from my last sort of abandoned photo tour. That's kind of what I'm focusing on. Anyway, the total Microstock earnings for October were $416.14, which isn't too bad. It felt like less when I was sort of adding up the numbers, but it came out to a half decent total. So that's that. Hopefully you got something out of this, and consider subscribing. Would appreciate that. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting. Take care.